Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video I am going to show you how to create the contact form on WordPress. Contact form is most important for every website. Every company website must have the contact form for customer, easy to contact the companies. If you are using the WordPress website, then you can easy to create the contact form by using WordPress plugin. Let's learn how you can do this. In my WordPress website, I have a contact page. I would like to add the contact form under address. So first I have to go to administration page. Then I have to install the WP form plugin. Go to plugin. Then click on the add new. Here I have to search WP form. So I have to install the WP forms. Once installed, you have to click on activate. So then we have to find the WP forms page, then click on all forms. This will be moved for the forms overview page. Here you have to click on the add new button. It will be open for the form editor page. Add the form name. So I have to add the contact form. Here they are provided some templates. If you click on the use template, it will be open for the predefined fields. So I would like to add the contact form from the scratch. I have to close this. Click on again, add new. Click on the contact form. Then I have to click on the blank form. First I add the full name. So I have to drag it for the name. In the name field, they are provide the format for first and last name field or first, middle and last name field. So I would like to choose the first and last name only. The field is required, then you have to enable this. Then click on the save, then click on the add fields. Here I have to select the email fields, so just I have to drag it. If you would like to add the mandatory, you have to click on the edit. It's already required. Go to add fields. Here I have to add the numbers, that means the phone number, so I have to drag it. So I have to edit for the number as a phone, so I have to go to here and edit for phone. The phone number is not mandatory. I disable the required. Then I have to go to add fields. So I have to choose for the paragraph text. Click on edit. Then here we have to add the commands. This is required. So I have to click on this. Then click save. So if you would like to add more fields, then you can choose for these fields, but the problem is the standard fields only for free version. If you would like to add the fancy fields, we have to pay for this premium version. So now we have to add this form into our contact page. We have to just save it and close it. So once created the form, the shortcode also created for the contact form. So this is the shortcode. So you have to copy this, then go to pages, and you have to click on the contact page and click on edit. Under the address section, you click on the add block. Here you have to search the two options. You can add the contact form. The first method is you have to add the custom HTML. Here you can add the shortcode and click on the update. Go to contact page and refresh it. Just check it. The contact form has been added. The another method is remove this first. You have to click on the add block. Here you have to search the WP forms. Then you have to select directly from the form. If you created the multiple form, it will be listed here. Then you can choose what you would like to add the form here. So right now we have only the contact form, so I am choosing that. Now it will be displayed right here. So we have to click on update and refresh it. That's it. This way you can easy to add the contact form in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.